Today, we review the best 5 sushi making kit that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Original Aya Sushi Making Kit. Aya is an original Japanese brand that is currently operating from Los Angeles. This deluxe sushi making kit is one of its most popular products, if not the most popular. Bringing the traditional Japanese sushi making to America's doors, Aya is encouraging the common people without the culinary skills to try out their well-received product.
Number 2.
Sushi Bazooka by Sushedo. Though there are only 3 major pieces in this sushi kit, they are enough to prepare perfectly delectable sushis for you. They include a sushi tube, plunger and an end cap. All these pieces all form a pretty stylish design, but the flimsy plastic construction falls short to its functionality. The hinges, which are hard to align, make it a little difficult to close the kit properly.
Number 3.
Easy Sushi 8507 3.5 cm Roller. The Easy Sushi 8507 is one of the best sushi making kits in the market at present. All the customers have been praising its functionality and convenient design since it came out back in 2014. Unlike most other kits featured here, this one has been built in France. That might be the reason behind its unconventional but simplistic design.
Number 4.
BambooWorx Sushi Making Kit. While most of its competitors are looking for more modernized options and techniques, BambooWorx prefers to make sushi in the traditional way. It offers 2 bamboo rolling mats, a rice paddle and a rice spreader in its sushi making kit. These 3 pieces are enough to prepare proper sushi with any kind and amount of filling you want.
Number 5.
Sushiquik Super Easy Sushi Making Kit. This sushi making kit from Sushiquik has been on the market for a few years now. It is one of the best products from that brand and immensely popular too. It contains about 7 pieces in total. They include a rolling mat, a horizontal stand, a non-stick paddle, a training frame, a roll cutter and 2 end caps.